Hey guys, so the Good Vibes Club NFT project is on the pre-sale minting phase right now. So I have over 400 mint opportunities. So if you go on my Patreon, you will see the last post that you can actually mint up to 3 mints per wallet. So if you want to mint this project, and I think this is one of the biggest projects in the last 3 years, because this basically team has worked with Facebook, Reddit, Google, Ford, Visa, Lyft, American Express, Microsoft. So basically, huge team. And another thing is that they are followed by the biggest influencers in this space. You can see Abstract, Luca Nets, who is the founder of Pudgy Penguins. Basically, I am scrolling down and you can see so many OGs. Whale, the biggest, one of the biggest influencers in this space. Solana influencers. So basically every influencer that I know about is following this project and they are supporting this project. And again, if you want to mint, link is in the description on my Patreon, so you can sign up and you can mint. I think the mint price is 0.069 Ethereum, which is around $140. I understand that NFTs are not so hyped up right now, basically comparing to meme coins or AI crypto. But I think this could be one of those projects that actually performs really well. So again, Good Vibes Club, this is the only project that I will be minting. I basically already minted 3 NFTs. That's because I think this is actually a great NFT project. Many people are talking about it. Great team, public team. Here you can see on their website, when you basically go on our team, you can see there are people. You can actually see them on LinkedIn, on Twitter, on X. So, basically they are collaborating with Super Rare, which is an NFT basically marketplace. Here you can see many people, huge advisors. This guy has like 300,000 followers. So you can see they have worked with Apple, Google, Visa, Facebook, Lyft, Oreo, Chase, American Express. So again, if you want to mint, and I have up to 400 mint opportunities on my Patreon, you just have to sign up, follow me on Patreon. You will see the last post. All you have to do is click on the link where you can mint the NFTs. And again, you can mint from 1 to 3 NFTs. And this is a huge opportunity. Only 2 days left from this video, so act accordingly. This is quite urgent because only 2 days left. But I think there is plenty of time because not many people are rushing. But until the mint is done, I think this will be quite hyped up project right now. I think this is the biggest upcoming NFT project because here you can see the art is actually great. They have been working 3 years, I think, for this art. And you can see so much detail. They are also posting on their X account the detail of these NFTs. You can see the scratches on the glasses are insane. So yeah, that's just my advice. Really short video. I just want to give my supporters, my Patreon supporters, opportunity, and this I think will be much more valuable than my $10 for my Patreon. That's why sign up if you want to get this NFT mint. And if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload you get notification instantly and you'll not miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.